This is Xiaomi's robot. Yes, it's now working in a factory. It worked 3 hours straight in the die casting shop, installing self-tapping nuts. Dual car success rate reached 90.2%, keeping pace with the 76-second cycle. Many seeing this news focus on the 90% success rate, thinking, isn't that one failure in 10? Why show off such a level? Hold on, don't rush to judge. Tesla's Optimus robot has gone viral for over a year. Walking, sorting, folding, chatting, smooth and elegant. Like a future warrior, right? And then, nothing else. It hasn't spent a single day in a factory. This is interesting. One tightened screws for 3 hours with a 9% success rate. The other danced in videos for a year, never touching a production line. Who's working? Who's performing? It's obvious. I get Musk's logic. He loves hyping concepts. First, a general humanoid robot. One for everyone. Cooking at home. Working at the office. A grand vision, indeed. Too grand to be real yet. Search for Tesla's robot today. Every appearance is a highly edited video. But think about it. Every single scene is just a demo. Demos and real work are different. Demos can be shot 100 times for one perfect take, but real work can't fail even once. That's why Musk won't let Optimus work in his factory. Why? Because it would fail instantly. But Xiaomi's nut tightening station is in the die casting shop, handling integrated rear floors. One part replaces a dozen stamped parts, especially the nut placement. Any slight angle or force error scraps the whole part, plus the 76-second cycle. Go slow, the line stops. Go fast, the next step fails. The robot must grab nuts and align them, tightening them with the slide. In this process, magnetic force pulls and slide precision limits. Any failure means a 9.8% failure rate. Has Tesla's robot faced this? No. No magnetic force there, no 76-second cycle, no line waiting. Its world is a clean lab, a set with endless free retakes. Some say 90.2% isn't high. I agree it's not. But it's from a real production line, not tested in a lab. Labs allow 10,000 failures for one success. Factories need 10,000 successes without one failure. Releasing this 90% data proves their robot can actually work. Remember how Tesla built cars. They started the term PPT car making. Huge launch events, hype specs, but delayed deliveries. Now on a new track, the playbook is the same. More launches, more videos, more hype specs, but still no factory work. Xiaomi is the opposite, quietly making cars. Before anyone noticed, the cars were ready. Now making robots, still quietly. Before anyone noticed, they're already working. Sure, there are flaws. Lai Jian admits it still looks clumsy. Clumsiness is fine. Performing without working is scary. What's the ultimate robot? Walking and talking, or working and solving problems? If forced to choose, I'd say the latter. After all, bosses hire workers not to see them dance, but to get work done. Tesla wants robots in every home. That's great. But shouldn't they prove themselves in factories first? Xiaomi's might have tightened millions of screws, cutting cycle times from 76 to 60 seconds. By then, you'll know who won.